Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, and happy Vlogmas! This video is going to be solely sewing, okay? My Vlogmas series has been me crocheting, knitting, or sewing all my gifts for friends and family this year. And this video, we are just going to be in the craft room and doing all of the gifts that I have to sew because there are a lot of them and I kind of want to just get them all done at once. The plan for what we're going to be making is... Actually, let me see if I have an example. I don't think I do. I think I've sold all of them. So basically, if you've been following along, I make these zipper pouches, these quilted pouches that are either this size or this size, okay? So I've decided for several people in my family, I want to make them a matching set, a smaller one and a medium one within the same pattern. So like a mini matching makeup zipper pouch set, because last year I made everybody makeup bags, like the boxy makeup bags I make, or I started making. I learned how to do those last year, so a lot of people got those. So this year I learned how to do zipper pouches, so I want to make them matching sets of zipper pouches, so one medium and one small one per person, and we're making them for 6 people. So it's 12 pouches total, 6 small ones, 6 medium ones. So it's been a while since I made these pouches, so I'm kind of like also relearning as we go. And once we get those 12 zipper pouches done, I'm also making Dylan a makeup bag, like the makeup bags I made a while ago. So different project, but I do need to make that because I got Dylan a bunch of makeup before Christmas. So I just wanted them to have like a bag to carry it in. So, and I had this dinosaur print, thought it was cute. I even remember Dylan saying that they love this print, so I'm gonna make the makeup bag out of that. Yeah, that's all we have for sewing on the roster today. I'm trying to get it done today and tomorrow because today is Saturday, so I'm basically spending my weekend sewing, but the goal is to get everything done today and tomorrow. So I am gonna start ironing everything. I put sticky notes on top of everything with everybody's name of like who I've decided to make this pattern for, but we have some really cute patterns I picked up. I've just been picking these up as I go to Joann's. I've been keeping an eye out, and when I found something I thought someone, one of the people I'm gifting would like, I was like, oh, okay, that's gonna be their pattern, and I just bought it. But I didn't really keep track, so I just spent the last like 30 minutes kind of trying to figure out what I got for who and just labeling everything with sticky notes. So, but everything is still folded and creased, so we're just gonna start by ironing everything out first, and then I haven't decided if I'm gonna do, maybe I'll do one person at a time. I almost just thought, you know, let me iron everything, cut everything, and then sew everything, but I think I'm gonna do one person at a time maybe. So let's just start with this fabric, get it ironed, get it cut, and get it made. Oh, also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys are not subscribed. I think like over half of you are watching my videos consistently, but you're not subscribed. So what's that all about, okay? Hit the subscribe button.
About bringing a woman from the dance club scene, I did not like that. Now, I heard Daisy sing at the Golden Bear a few months back. That's Linda Ronstadt. That Daisy makes sense. Right.
Heard of the 6, obviously. Damn, this is the voice of a man who's seen things that like the pair you've had for years. I was going to wear
It's more easy to nail. Well, I don't know.
She was so pretty that
After you want to talk about the song,
I what I wanted to do.
Daisy just said, no thanks.
I mean, will you hold me until that day? I sang those questions.
She sang.
Okay, so I finished the first set. This is how they turned out. Aren't they so cute? I decided to do the crisscross quilt that I've been doing, that I know how to do really well. And now I'm just gonna take some water and get rid of these marker lines from the quilting. I usually use a toothbrush, obviously not used, a clean toothbrush. I only use this toothbrush to get rid of these lines. And then I just take some tap water, wet the tip of the brush, and then I just trace the lines down, and just a little bit of water and the purple marker, the washable marker, will go away because I'm not throwing these in the washer. So I just kind of put a little water on all the lines and then it goes away. I've been listening to an audiobook while I sew today, I kind of like, I used to just listen to music, and sometimes I still do, and then other times I do like TV shows and stuff, but then I caught myself like watching the screen and making mistakes because I was like trying to watch my laptop. So now I just listen to audiobooks, and I think I'm gonna be able to reach my Goodreads goal this year simply because of audiobooks while I sew, because if it weren't for that, I spend so much time sewing and like crocheting. If I didn't utilize it to audiobooks, then I would not read enough books in a year. So, which reminds me, I'm gonna be doing an end of the year, like every book I read, kind of ranking and talking about every book I read this year, because I have decided I am gonna do more book content this coming year as we go into 2025, because reading's a big part of my life, so I want to also share that here. And I know for a while I had a separate channel with my book stuff on it, but if I'm being honest, it's really hard to navigate 2 channels at once. So I think I'm just going to keep everything on this channel, including all my book content, or really like whatever I want to talk about. So stay tuned for more book content coming this year, or I guess next year. But I am going to do a every book I read video at the end of this year. But yeah, I'm kind of loving this Vlogmas series too. Kind of like, I haven't done vlogs in a while, so I literally went from like not doing a lot of vlogs for a couple months to doing vlogs like damn near every day. Or I guess like for the Vlogmas, they're coming out like every other day, just so I can consistently keep them out, because if I did every day, they would be really shitty and like there wouldn't be a lot going on in the vlogs. But anyways, I just wet these, so we're gonna wait for the marker to disappear. But this is 1 set for a gift done. We have 5 more sets to do, so let's keep going. Our next one, the next one I'm gonna do, what am I gonna do? I don't know. Let's do this fabric for the next one. And I actually think for this one, I'm gonna do a different quilt pattern. So the quilt pattern I did for these was like the crosses, which is cute. But I think for this one, I'm gonna do vertical lines just to spice it up, because I haven't done vertical lines before and I'm kind of curious what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna do vertical lines for this one. But now I'm gonna iron and cut fabric, and then I'll check in when, I don't know, at some point. But let's get started on the second one. Okay, I finished the next set of 2. And for this, I love this pattern by the way, but for this one I did vertical line quilting. It's kind of hard to see because I used black thread. It's easier to see in person, but instead of the crisscrossing, I did vertical for the first time, and I actually love how it turned out. So I think I'm gonna do vertical on probably the rest of them, just because I love how it looks. But we got the second set done, and now we can do the next set. Also, when I was cutting the fabric for the second set, I actually just went ahead and cut the fabric for the rest of the ones I was doing, because I was like in an ironing mood and listening to my audiobook and kind of just kept going. So everything's cut, so now it's just sewing. So I'm just gonna keep on at it. I think it's already 4:30 p.m. right now. I think I can definitely probably get them all done tonight. I mean, I've got nothing else on my to-do list, so I'll probably just keep going, try and get them all done today. That way I'll just be done, and then tomorrow maybe I can like take a day off or something. But I'm listening to Daisy Jones and The Six on audiobook, so I'm like halfway through it, and so far it's okay. I don't know, but it's alright. Alright, the next fabric we're doing is this floral fabric. Very cute. I love it. Okay, I ended up doing the next 2 sets together because they were the last ones I was doing with black thread. But we've got this really cute floral one. This one you might be able to see the vertical line quilting on better because it's like blue. And then I did the next set again with some vertical line quilting. Super cute though. I love the idea of these like sets for gifts. All right, so I have 2 left. I have this polka dot. Let me move the names off of these. I have this polka dot color and then this ladybug color. I know I'm gonna do white threading on the ladybugs, but I've been going back and forth on doing white or black for the polka dot. I just know that the black's not gonna show up, so I want to do white, but I just don't know how it's gonna look. And I don't think I'm gonna do vertical lines for this one. I think I might just do like a big X across the whole thing, just to like change it up from the vertical ones or the little squares. So I'm gonna do X's and then get started on sewing these together. So there are our last two. Also, I mentioned doing Dylan's makeup bag in this, but I remembered I gave Dylan a makeup bag for their birthday in January, so they don't need one. They already have one, so that's off the list. So these are the last two things. It's almost 6 p.m. so let's see how long it takes me to finish, and then I'll show you these when they're done, and then I think we'll be done. Okay, it is 6:45 and I have completed the last two sets. Let the light adjust. I did this set and then this set. Super cute. I ended up doing the X across as the quilting, just like a 2-line X for both pieces. So, but I'm done with all of this set, and I have little sticky notes for everybody's name. But I literally, I think I started this video saying like, I hope I can get them done this weekend. I literally just did all of them in one sitting in a couple hours. So now we've got all of them, and while I'm here, since I'm gonna wrap these, I'm gonna wrap them with everything else I'm giving them for Christmas. So let me show you some stuff I made that I didn't film just because I made it before I started the Vlogmas series. But I'm gonna show you because some of these have crochet items and other sewn items that I already made that I'm adding to these. So let me grab those things and show you what I'm also giving. Okay, so there's 4 things I didn't show you that I made for a couple of my, well, I don't want to say in case they're watching this video. So a few more things I'm adding on top of these. I made a succulent coaster set. So these come out and they're like little, they're coasters, or not, I said succulent, I meant sunflower. It's because I have a succulent one right here, but this is the sunflower one. So I made 2 of those for gifts, and then I have the succulent one, which same idea, there's 4 coasters. And then this is the same kind of idea, the monstera plant, and each of these leaves are a little coaster. That's it. That's the 4 things I wanted to show you. But that's everything I'm making in this video. Thanks for hanging out with me for Vlogmas, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.